my OC in different color palettes. Okay. Midnight, I really like it. 1 out of 10. Yeah, it's just bad. In fact, okay, pure orange. It's a little bit better. 2 out of 10. Blue cyan, I like it. 5 out of 10. It's good. Cotton candy, ew. I don't like it. 0 out of 10. Fiery, minus 100. I hate it. I just hate it. Forest, 2 out of 10. Sunlight, maybe 3 out of 10. Black scent, 5 out of 10. I like it. Pink love, 2 out of 10. It's okay, but I don't like it that much. Purplish, 7 out of 10. I like that color. Sonic That You, anyways, nah, I don't like it. 2 out of 10. No. Negative 100. This is okay. 2 out of 10. And 2 out of 10. I like it.